Welcome! We're excited to have you here as we guide you through the process of setting up groups in elDoc. With elDoc, you have the power to create a variety of groups that align with your specific roles and responsibilities, organizational structure, or any other unique requirements within your company. So, how to get started? Simply navigate to the Administration menu and click on the Groups tab. Once there, you'll find an Add button that allows you to create a new group. Begin by providing a unique group name, then hit Save. If it is required, you can also add a detailed description for the group. To enable dynamic assignment of workflow participants when using a fixed workflow route, you can assign tags to the group. elDoc also allows you to define system roles, ensuring secure management of access rights based on your specific roles and responsibilities. For more information on system roles, you can refer to our publicly available documentation. With different system roles available, elDoc excels in providing the best segregation of rights within the system. To complete the group creation process, all you need to do is add the relevant participants to the group, and you're all set. Once everything is in order, simply save the settings. Ready to experience elDoc for yourself? Sign up for a free trial now.